we have created an auth controller, the next step we'll create a hash password creation using bcrypt. Now how we will do that? We will import the user model and bcrypt file. So as you can see in our auth controller file, we have imported these two packages in our so that we are easy to sign up the users with their full name, email, and password. Now the next thing what we have done is we have, after importing these two files from our model, which is we have created the in a user.js, as you can see here in our folder structure, we have created a bcrypt function, means we import the bcryptjs file, which is in our package.json file. You can see this is used for password hash generation. Okay, now after that what we have done, we have created a password length which is less than, if it is less than 6, then it will generate the response status as password must be at least 6 characters. Okay, now after that we have created a constant type, and we have used the user model to find the email address. Now here we have used the use of async and await. So if I remove the async here, okay, here it will give the error. See, I will point the concern. Await expressions are only allowed within async functions and at the top levels of modules. So it Visual Studio is allowing us to mark this function as async. Okay. So once we pass the async, then only the await will work. So I will do the control Z and then the error gets gone. Okay. So once the user model, we have find the email address. Now, if the user is true, means if the user exists in our system, then it will return the status message that email already exists. After that, you have used the salt, which is a generation of a unique 10 digits number by bcrypt. So that will create a hash password for us. Which we will uh, encrypt using our bcrypt function, which is hash function, and here we will give the password, which is in the form of salt. Okay, so this salt generation will use the package of bcrypt, which will be responsible for creating a hash password generation. Okay, now, after that, what we will do, we will create a new user in our system with the full name, email, and password. So this hash password will automatically create it from bcrypt function. And if that new user exists, then we can write the further code. Okay. So this new user creation, we will give the condition here. And if the new user does not gets created, then it will show invalid user data. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos for our real chat app. Thank you for watching.